Of course, the demons, Pralambasura and Dhenukasura, Krishna could have easily killed them himself. But he wants to glorify his brother. So he arranged to expound his glories throughout the world by allowing him to destroy these most powerful demons, Pralambasura and Dhenukasura, very easily. And it's so easy, that's confirmed in the Shukadeva Goswami, how effortlessly and easily Balaram vanquished these most powerful and inconceivably strong demons. 10, 15, 36. Naitat chitre bhagavati yainanta jagadishvare ota protam idam yashmims tantushvanga yatapata. O Parikshit, it was not a miracle for the all-powerful Balaram to kill Dhenukasura. After all, he is Jagadishvara. He's the Lord in control of the entire universe, what to speak of one jiva within that universe named Dhenukasura. He is the second form of Bhagavan, Krishna, the original personality of Godhead. And Balaram is the root manifestation, or the mool of Sankarshan. Why is he called Sankarshan? Because he unites Yadunam apritag bhavat. He unites. He manages to keep the Yadavas united in heart and mind. So he's called Sankarshan.